functional art, wearable art, art.
Well, hi everybody. Welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks USA. I'm on the highway. Willie Nelson's? Oh, anyway, I just came on real quick. I'm just messing around with some stuff here. Anyway, I wanted to pick a winner for the sneakers, and not that many of you commented, and the ones that did only got it right. So I guess next time. So let's see. At Brianna S6500. Congrats. Nike Air Jordan 4. Valuable. So says NJ Sneaker King. I'm going to get in contact with you, and we are going to get you some kicks. Congrats. And thank you for participating. I wish more of you did. You know, I mean, they're pretty valuable. They go up in value. By the way, if you didn't notice in the video, the question I asked for I asked a trivia question, and the answer was, if you looked at my hoodie, these drawstrings, literally 10 feet long. Like, they went all the way around my neck and down to my thighs. Man, my contacts are killing me. Out of it all day. Anyway, Brianna, you are getting a really nice pair of sneakers. So congrats. And I'm just messing around with different, trying to use my cell phone as a camera on top of my other camera, and just getting a feel for everything. We're going to incorporate some more stuff, and as I do little unboxings for smaller things, and you know, just messing around with the green screens and stuff. But I just wanted to get a quick video out. Next time, please, people, participate. It's free to subscribe, you know. We'll do it again at 20,000. Maybe we'll do it something different with, you know, I don't know, computer part. Maybe we'll leave it up to you. We'll pick something reasonably priced, because you know, we're still building this thing, and you know, or maybe we'll see what sponsors come along and things like that. But for all of you anyway, thank you for subscribing, and unfortunately it can only be US residents only right now. So Brianna S6500, you got the answer right. Congrats. And we'll be back next with FiFine, and we'll mess around with the voice changer. We're going to show you all their products. They were nice enough to send us some stuff, and we reviewed it. I reviewed it. And yeah, so congrats, Brianna. And I'm going to reach out to you right now. I'm going to private message it. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe. More people here, more things we like to give back. Sneaks and Geeks. See you soon.